Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to today's excursion into video mediocrity, coming to you direct from the southern wing of the Stinkbug Works. Today I have removed the Swifter 26 from the board and replaced it with the current progress on the ML Boatworks Tide. The Swifter is in I'm waiting for parts mode. None of us have ever done that before, have we? So here we are. This looks kind of like ugly, I admit. But we'll talk about that. So what I did is I cut some foam blocks that were, a nice snug fit. Hello. A nice snug fit in here. I also glued this chine rail on. I needed the support. And once that's on, it now keeps all these things in the proper orientation. So what I did with these blocks is I used a hot wire pen. Imagine, if you would, a soldering iron, but instead of all this, it just had a wire sticking out so far. Now, mine is really, 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 really old and really, 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 really cruddy. And that crud on it, I tried taking the crud off with a razor, and the temperature control on it's terrible, and so they're cheap. I ordered another one where I can control the temperature. That said, these look pretty ugly, I admit, but that said, they do have one redeeming characteristic. They're foam and they float. Yeah, they don't look real good, but they're going to be sealed up in here. I'm going to try to make them look better, but if I'm not successful, this will still do the intended job. The plan, since the covering is going to curve from here to here, it's actually going to move away from the straight line distance between these 2 points. And as I cut the foam, the middle sags away. So you're going to have the upper curve going this way and the lower curve going this way, creating voids everywhere. Well, the plan is to use that expanding polyurethane glue, Gorilla Glue. It's essentially the same thing as that spray foam, but it's a different consistency. And although it's the same basic chemical structure. And so I'll just run a line down each one of these, and maybe this one has a dip in it, put a blob there, and just let a little bit expand onto the skin. Partly just to give everything, tie everything together. It doesn't hurt to do that. Structurally, if I could have a perfect joint between this foam and all the wood, the sponsons would become a dead blow hammer. I mean, they would be solid. So that's where I am on this. I'll order a new knife, see if I can make prettier looking ones. If I can't, this will be good enough. And so we'll go with that. So there you go, boys and girls. Just a quick update on things. Swifter, hurry up and wait. This thing, hurry up and wait. The dummy outrigger. Let's see, what am I doing today? What day is this? Is this Thursday or is it Friday? Oh, it's Thursday. What have I got going today? Maybe I can work on the dummy outboard. Who knows? Stay tuned to tomorrow's exciting episode to see what I decide to do today. Until then, jet out.